Let's go. What's good, team? What's good? Maxime, what's happening, brother? What's happening, brother? What's good, Leroy? Wise, what's happening? We present. Love that, bro. Love that. The fact that you present, bro, I respect that. I salute that. What's happening, Catherine? What's happening, Catherine? Hope you well. Yeah, man, we're going to be starting out with the session for the day. Today, we're going to be having news that are coming up. Mid news, not actual, heavy news, but it is medium impact news. Let me just pull it up here so you can see. Hope the team is doing well. I'm excited, bro. I am excited, bro. I am happy. It's a brand new day, guys. Remember, you can see with the news that are coming up, we have at 4 p.m. Now it's 2:30, 3. So it's like maybe in the next 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes, yeah. We're gonna be having these Trump already spoke in the 3 a.m. So we're gonna be having news around these times here. Inflation plus is all the consumer sentiment. So yesterday, let me just come back to yesterday's trade, because yesterday I had a trade on gold. If you guys remember, yesterday I had a trade on gold, but I went out, the last trade that I took, I went out at break even, which was this one here. The last trade that I took went out at break even, but you can see what happened afterwards, because I ended the session somewhere here around 5 p.m. and look at what happened afterwards. It went up. Those three would have hit TP plus is all this one here, right? But I managed it the way that I was supposed to, according to my plan, so I'm happy with that. But I just wanted to show you the outcome of it, so that we start the day with a brand new mindset, brand new day. So here on the dollar index, what I have been seeing is it's happening. Tabang, I hope that you're doing well, bro. Hope that you're doing well, my brother. Mpete, what's going on, bro? What's going on? Hope you're doing well. Tabsile. Let's go. We in. And yeah, man, we're doing this. You guys can see. So, right here with the dollar, since yesterday, you remember I was looking for price to come here to sell off, but it did break above. Remember what we spoke? It broke above, it tested, came here, and still went. And this is where we are. I still see it coming here, somewhere around here, before maybe price can go downwards, right? Because obviously you can see this failed to hold, and price eventually broke above, came back to retest, and then went slightly more higher. You can see with this is where the breakout actually did happen. Broke above, yeah. And we're still going up on the dollar with what I'm seeing. Even if I can just put a trend line here, I don't really need it, but I'm just showing you. You can see, bro. Let me use the most two recent points, which is this one and this one. You see, so obviously price could potentially just, and then somewhere here, and then go down, right? So that's one thing that I would like to see on the dollar. Okay, let me see dollar. See, we had these areas here as highs, never broke them. Still had these areas here as lows. We didn't really break them, but we just liquidated here and here. You can see. Let me use this most recent structure. Right now I can see that we are in this nice solid range. This is a range, bro. There's no real actual movement because see ya, since yesterday when we were here, we did break these highs here, and then we went down, we broke, like we tested these lows here, so you see, and then since then we've been in between those highs and those lows, which means that still a trend, ranging market, right? It's not really going upwards or downwards. Took from swing low to swing high here, in between I see 50, 88. So I see this one here still coming down till maybe somewhere here around these levels, and then we'll see price going upwards. Guys, I want you to remember everything that I'm doing here, it's not financial advice. You should not just be taking trades because I'm taking trades. You need to do your own research. You need to really understand the whole concept behind it. I believe when I'm taking trades, I show why I'm taking trades and all these things. But at the end of the day, you have to still, understand certain things. Yo, imagine I didn't even look at Nasdaq. Because what I'm saying here is what I'm saying is, you see here, we wouldn't want price to break above here, basically above these highs. We would want it to go a bit more low to respect these, like at least to go slightly more lower, come somewhere here. So hopefully this turns out to be a head and shoulders, right? Something more like this. Yeah, something more like maybe a left shoulder here, and then the head shoulder, the head, and then hopefully maybe like a right shoulder somewhere here. This is what I'm hoping for. And then once we break out of the neckline, which is supposed to be here, obviously once we break out, then we come here. So if only this can happen, that's when I might see gold, play out. Let's see. So this must hopefully drop. Okay, let's see what happens. Hopefully, because I didn't get activated. Oh, I forgot Nasdaq. Let's see. What's happening? 3 plane always. Let's go, team. You got that right, bro. Nasdaq has been dumping. Didn't look at it. I should see it now. Caesar, am I late today? No, you're not, bro. We literally just started now, Quentin. So you're still perfect. I think we're 13 minutes in. And yeah, man, I just already saw gold while we just started here. I just saw gold. Hopefully can activate and go well, but we'll just see. I don't want to end the week because already this week for me, through speaking, it's still, oh, what is this? Nasdaq. Oh, bro, Nasdaq reached the way I wanted it to reach, bro. Remember with Nasdaq, I don't know if you guys have been joining in on the previous sessions. Even yesterday, it was here, bro. And I was like, bro, that's why even yesterday I was looking for a sell. I was like, I wanted to get here, bro. This I drew it from last week. I was like, it's still gonna get here. 1, 2, 3, and that's why I was like, just persisting on those sells, looking for only sells because I knew it might get here. And you see, it got here as much as it got here during London and Asian session, because I don't trade those sessions. Maybe I could have gotten opportunity, but since I don't trade them, I didn't catch it. But yeah, man, let's see gold. We just got tapped in. Let's see, hopefully, bro. Let's go. So we'll just see what happens with gold. Hopefully just rejects and starts shooting upwards, bro. Okay, let's just leave it. Nasdaq. So with Nasdaq, already tested this area. We could potentially just see Nasdaq coming testing here at these lows and then pushing back upwards. Only if this low is that strong. So it's tricky because, truly speaking, putting a stop loss here makes perfect sense technical wise, but sometimes I might just want to, liquidate those areas below, right? These things how they are. Having a stop here would be very safe. Yeah. Okay. Gold, let's go, bro. Yes, 30. Okay, let me just wait a bit on your state here. I think Nasdaq is the one that looks. Gold, let's see 2 more minutes how this candlestick is gonna close. Hopefully it closes with a nice bullish. Let me just see if I'm tapped in the side here. Yeah, you see we tapped in here. Okay. I think today I'm just gonna take minimum in terms of not go too hard in terms of take too many trades and all those things. I think this 2 year will just be what I'm looking for the day and try to see if I can manage, run with it. Where did I put my stuff? Just to be on the safe side using that 1 hour slow. It's the same thing. Ooh, gold, what happened? Took me out, bro. Ooh, gold. What happened? Okay, my closer closed. Right, I hit stop. Yeah, closed. Okay, yeah. It might come back. Let's see what the dollar index did. What happened with gold? Okay, let me just give it some time. It might just retrace back, but let me just see Nasdaq. I was like, let me see how gold is gonna close. Look at how it what happened, bro. Yeah, there's a lot of orders. He just wanted to play around with them. Let me see, this candle is gonna close. Okay, let me just see how gold is gonna close. This bullish is not really that strong because looking at it, see here it went down. This bullish yet couldn't even cover this bearish candlestick, which shows there has been a lot of sellers here at the bottom. So I don't think I'm gonna try to maybe look for other, because I feel like it could be that trade that if I buy again it might just still go down and take me out, because I don't understand why it done this. Yes, I see that there could be stops below that I wanted to take out, but that's not enough for me to make a solid choice, right? Let me see. Dollar index didn't do what I wanted it to do. Remember, I wanted this to go down. Maybe it would go down once it gets here. Let's see. Once it gets here at these resistance, that's when we might start seeing gold. So yeah, right here. Gold buy, not sell, I mean, right here. Yeah. I think now gold might come up. Truly speaking, I believe it might come up. Because now I have to decide, bro, am I gonna go for gold or Nasdaq? If I take another trade on gold, I can't take Nasdaq. That's the thing, bro. I can't. Yeah, luckily I had a stop loss. Yeah, bro. If I didn't, truly speaking, trades like these, bro, you wouldn't. Okay, I see it's shooting up now. Let's see. Maybe it'll give like some sort of entry, like in terms of go back in structure, and then when it comes back, I might buy it here and then go back up. But I would have to decide now where my trade is gonna go, on Nasdaq or on gold. I see now we got back into structure. You can see I'll look at it. Nasdaq is still playing. Okay, keeping a close eye. So your 5 minute done. Okay, 5 minutes, you can see it didn't close below here. Didn't really close below. Maybe another thing that I could have done in terms of lesson wise that I can take from this is, because already I entered, but sometimes, you know, market doesn't do, it just enters and goes up. Because I was gonna say I should have waited for this to happen and then try looking for a buy afterwards. But I know sometimes, like, you remember 2 days ago I missed out a lot of opportunities because of waiting. So this here is where it's like, truly speaking, normal best entry, but that could be also because of we're still within the structure, right? We're still within this higher low, like range markets. And right here, maybe one of the things that I'm seeing that could have not made price go back up to break is because of we have failed to break these highs. Like you see, when we went up, we could have broken the highs to confirm that we're still going up. So if price comes back and testing here, it makes perfect sense for that buy to be solid going up. You understand? You see now what it's doing is just doing some playing. Yeah, obviously, like I did say, I'm not gonna really try to, I know it might push up now, but I'm not really gonna try to, you know, enter it as of yet. I want it to show me something, and already it is building something. I see it build this, let's just say, lower high, and now it's back. If it breaks the low, yeah, it's still going down. You know, I'm not like, I should just chill, take it easy. But if it goes and breaks these, then I'm gonna start looking for a sell, a buy some here. So when price comes for a retest, I can take it. You understand? But that's those two ways. Okay, you see what it's doing now. What time frame is it? 1 minute. Yeah, it's been around those areas here. So you see, it's not really the best thing to be involved in. So these are those trades whereby if you just continue buying, you might, obviously you took the first stop loss, maybe you bought it, you're thinking that this is the right area to buy it at, you might take a second stop loss. You understand? So just have to be on the safe side, bro. Just have to be on the safe side. I think for now, I want to focus on the Nasdaq, because this one here, DXY, it's respecting, like it's moving well, but gold is just aggressive, right? And with the 5 minute, this is a break to the bottom, bro. I don't really think it would be wise to still want to buy it. But we have already tested all the lows. All the lows have tested. It's either maybe price want to like liquidate these. You see these ones here, it might just want to liquidate them and then go back up. Sorry. And this gold, this Nasdaq could be nice if, like, you know, I could have a stop loss below, but how price is moving. In fact, even if it breaks below and it starts playing, I think I will I'd have to manage it proper, bro. Okay, gold, you see gold, it wants to come back in structure. So if I still want to look for a buy, I must still hold on to that concept that I spoke of, which is this is a lower high. It must break it. If it doesn't break it, it must break it and at least try to come back to retest it. If it doesn't break it, it's still going down. Now this week has been very slow for me, bro, I won't lie. Let's go. Let's see. Oh. I'm not too comfortable with this Nasdaq stop loss. I think I'm going to have to do something about it. Let me see. The thing is, if I put it any other way, bro, it's no longer the same trade. It could be, but okay. Yo, bro. Okay, the first loss that I took was like $700, $600. Okay, I should just reduce because 2 is gonna be too much. 1.3. Okay, let's just see gold. Gold, I think if I take it, bro, I'm gonna reduce my risk massively, like at least half, bro, because I don't like it, bro. This week is not good for a brother, bro. I won't lie, this week is not good for me, bro. Not good, bro. But I'm not gonna let it kill all the work that I've done in the previous weeks and stuff. So that's why it's very important that I still maintain reduce risks. Let's see if it breaks. See, dollar index done a double top here, so we could be going down now. Nice 100 looks pretty legit, yeah, bro. I'm in bearish, so these markets nowadays. I'm in bearish, so. Took a sell. Nice. Where did you take a sell? The Charlie. Snobsy Infinite. Fire. It's happening, brother. Pete, what's good, bro? Yeah, let's go. I don't want it to tap in here before it breaks above. Like, it's not gonna make this area be the best, bro. And I can't buy it because it didn't break above, remember? Yeah. Yeah, I wanted, if only it broke above, I was gonna be buying it, but because it didn't, I'm not gonna buy it, obviously. Nasdaq, we could sell from here all the way down to somewhere here, bro. I'm telling you. I feel like I prepare. If I prepare for that sell, I just see it now. If I prepare for it, I'm sure I was gonna like try to catch a sell somewhere here, but I didn't prepare for it. So if I get it now, it'll be like I'm just, doing things, It would be somewhere here. Yeah, it's not really gonna be much. It will be good. I think Nasdaq, if I'm gonna enter it using a smaller time frame, bro, this stop loss is not, it doesn't make sense, bro. So what I'd rather do is enter here. If it breaks below, I'd understand that it's not as solid because having this trade, but I'm telling you, it's I don't think that it will even hit take profit now. It's too big, bro. Yeah. Yeah, you see those cells are gonna work out, but I don't know why I didn't plan for it. But it's okay. Next week is still, there's still more opportunities coming up with the coming week, right? Let's go, team. Let's go. We're doing this, bro. Trump speaking? No, bro. Trump spoke like a long time ago. Bro. A long time. Because it said 3 a.m. right? That's what I saw. You see at 3 a.m. One delay. I saw a hit. What trade were you in? What trade were you in? Because I remember someone saying that they sold. It's Deshali. I thought it's you. I'm sure with the sell. How's it going? Deshali. Yo, bro, this sell is gonna be nice, bro. Okay, you see gold. Luckily, I didn't fall for it because otherwise I was gonna take many losses, so I just waited. This one I'm just feeling slightly sad because right now I'd be hitting stop take profit on 1:2. You understand? And let's just see. Oh, gold. Yeah, were you in? Were you in on it, one dealer? Because yeah, on my side I hit stops, bro. On my side I did, but luckily I did put the stop loss there. Oh, I was like, what's going on? Why is that alarm? Luckily I put the stop loss there because otherwise it's gonna hit me more than what I put, right? This one here is making me feel too much pain, but oh, gold. Nah, gold, bro. Gold is not nice. I don't know if it's the market today or what, but gold is not nice, bro. Gold is not nice. This one I'm gonna have to adjust it. I'm not happy with this one. I should delete this. This is too big. Can't have a 3 like that, bro. Like, I'd rather have those than that, bro. Wow. Remember the first time when I was using one contract, it had like a $600 stop loss. Now I can even use very big contract, so that's just the advantage of when you enter like at the rightest. If I already, let me just see already how the stop loss that I took. $800. I had a. It's not 1%. It's way less because this is a 150K account, but how much? 600 here. I think here I'm just gonna go less, bro. At least to just end the week on profits. That's all. I just want to end the week on profits, right? Gold now is coming up. Okay, there's the break that I wanted. You see here, it broke above here, which means that when it comes to retest, that's where I can start looking for buys. Let's see if it closes above. Yeah, we had this close above. We had this close. So now I have a reason to, take it, right? Unlike when it was still here, I was going to take so many losses, bro. If I took it here, I was going to take another loss. If I took it, I was going to take another, 3 losses. But because of waiting, obviously I didn't take 3 losses. I only took 1. But if I want to take a buy position somewhere here, hopefully there will be 2 negatives on gold, bro, which is not going to be nice. But this is a setup. It's not like I'm chasing the market. This is a setup. It's normally how I would trade. In fact, if I didn't take this buy, I could have waited for something like this. But it happened, so I'm just going to, reduce massive risk, bro. Massive risk. I don't know. Because if I can lose 1% in a day, that's at least 1.5. Already I'm done by 800, which I'm still left with maybe 600-700. So, and I already have that pending on gold, which means that, on Nasdaq, which means that I have to go slower, small, right? If I go risk 450 and also this idea reduce this from 680 to also, because I need to divide this into 2, right? 450. I don't even think this one here might even get there, but we'll see. I should lose another 400, right? 400. I think this is good. No, four. Because if I combine them both, then it's gonna be at least like close to. Okay. Yeah. Let's just see. If gold goes down, bro, there's nothing that I can do, bro. But if it goes down, bro, my heart is gonna be so. If it takes me out another what is it? Stop loss. My heart is gonna be so. I'm telling you. But anyways, it's the market. I'm still gonna have to. Oh. Made a loss today. Yeah, bro. I'm running at a loss already. Okay, let me just. This one must just respect, bro. If it doesn't, I'm not like if it does, I'm not even gonna look for another trade on gold. Even if it shows me, I'll just take it as this week is not really, a good week for me, because you need to accept whatever that the market gives, right? Like the other weeks when it was like just good all the time, I was excited, but now when it's not good, you can't be excited obviously if things are not like going well, but just like how it is, you have to embrace the good and the bad. So now I have to just calculate what lot sizes I must use on which account. It's too much work. Okay, it's okay. Change this one. But remember, guys, this is trading. Obviously, everything is risky. So if you like, you should not be following my trades, because you can see how I'm trading. It's not like very beginner friendly, but I do have a plan and I'm sticking to it. I do have a plan and I'm sticking to it. But when I say it's not beginner, I just mean in terms of it's this is advanced, bro. Like what I'm doing here, going back in, going out, doing this. If you don't know what you're doing, you will revenge trade, bro. But with me, you can see I'm reducing like risk. I'm doing all this so that if I wanna re-enter again, like things like this, I know that I still have that opportunity. You understand? I know I still have that opportunity. So some people, they don't know how to do this, right? All they do is when they enter, they just enter all in, like, and then one trade already, if it goes slightly against, it blows the account and the mood is set. But obviously with proper risk, we know that even when losses come, we still have to maintain, bro. I haven't checked US30, right? Yeah, how do we gold? Yeah, gold, gold, gold came for us, bro. Gold is going. Yo, bro, gold. Bro, I just hope gold doesn't go down, bro. Let me see what dollar index is doing. Okay, gold index is going down, which is good. Gold must not go down, bro. Gold must go up, bro. Gold it must go up. And you see with gold also, like just simple, also technical, like head and shoulders, you can see, bro, like almost like a left shoulder, head, and like, fully a right shoulder, yeah. So let's just see. Nasdaq. USDT thing is here where it is, you can see it rejected so many times. First time, second time, yeah, another one, fourth one, yeah, and now it's here. So it's different. It's harder to understand if it's gonna do the same as it done like four times prior, which is reject back up, because this candle still has 40 more minutes to go. But you can't just buy because it's at the bottom, right? You need some sort of, like here, if I was looking for a buy where it is right now would be the best, because of, you can see previous areas here. But I'm not really that confident. I feel like I'm gonna be over trading if I focus too much on, because this might still even break the lows, because the more it tested these lows here, the more weaker it got. So it might still go down, you understand? But it didn't activate me. It didn't. Yo, bro, I'd laugh if this trade just goes through to take profit and didn't activate me. Nah, bro. I'd laugh, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Check your statement, though. Yeah, we saw your statement. Sell gold, sell USDT. Remember, bro, we don't give out signals here in the chat, because anyway, you're just selling, you just say sell. Like, there's more to it, right? More to it, like just selling, because you like sell gold. Probably by the time you send this message, you was like maybe somewhere here. Yeah, find out that now it's in negative, But all I'm saying is that, like, we don't give out signals like that. Rather say, what you're seeing. I see gold broke the lows, and there's a high chance that it might go to the support area. That's why I sell. I'm looking at a sell. But if you're gonna just tell people sell gold, if it doesn't work out, what are you gonna say? That's what I mean. Now you see with me how I'm approaching. Like, I know it might not work out. It's not like it's gonna work out. I'm me, and all. I know it might not work out, but I'm showing you in terms of why am I buying it. I'm walking you through that whole process, so that even if it doesn't work out, you know what I saw. Because remember, the goal is not to be in profits all setups. The goal, yes, we want to make money, I understand, but the goal is not to have every setup be profit. Otherwise, you won't win, because it's impossible in the market. It doesn't work like that. But if you can at least, understand, bro, understand why you took a loss, understand why you took a profit. That's all, even if it's not much. Like, you see, even now, I would have emotions lead me, and then feel like feel like this trade is gonna leave me. Like, oh no, it's going up, it didn't activate me, let me buy. But if I buy, remember, it's no longer the same trade, guys. Like, I see people get this wrong. If I buy, where it is, look at where my stop loss is gonna be. Even if my take profit was still at the exact same area, look at it now. It's only 1:1, bro. The first trade was 1:2. Look, this one, yeah, this one 1:1, this one 1:2. I caught it. Yes, I was right, it went up, but I only made 1:1, bro. You understand? It like still not worth it. You understand? And it's not about that I don't want to make 1:1. I want to catch a trade and manage it and see how it plays out. It's not just about making a profit and so on. I want to learn every day as I'm taking these trades. The more trades I take, the more I get to learn. And guess what? As much as we don't want it, you learn from the losses. You don't learn from wins, because with wins, you get happy and you feel like, yeah, I've done it and all that. You will learn from losses, bro. Nasdaq is going down, down, down. Let's see if it'll get there. Yo, bro. So there's this other I don't know if where I spoke about, but there's this. I'm doing this run whereby I see who's it? Nkalafe Nkarabo. I see you asking, do you trade props? Yes, I do trade prop firms, bro, and that also helps me like trade the way that I do, because with props you have to really, really, really be strict. If I was not strict to myself, if I was not really trading prop firms, bro, I was gonna do so many things, right? Because with prop firms, I know in a day I can only lose this much. If they say it's like with this account here, it's this one here, since it's futures, it's not really like they don't have a daily loss how much I can lose in a day, but I have a maximum loss, which is around like 4k, somewhere around there. I think, I'm not too sure, but that's why when I'm taking, I know that okay, in a day, I must not lose at least like, bro, like if like 2k or something, because if I lose 2k, that's more than 1%. So I try to limit it there. Limited, unless maybe if it's profits, I can risk more because I'm using profits now. But if the account is still like either at break even or is still coming up, I need to take it easy, grow it nice and easy. And if I'm seeing that okay, there's a high chance that I'm gonna take 4 losses in a row, because sometimes you can see okay, there's a high chance I'm going through a losing streak. Like now I can see this is a losing streak, bro, and I always say behind every winning streak comes a losing streak. So if I'm going through that, I shouldn't increase my lot size during a losing streak. I should just reduce it up until I get back into a winning streak. Then, that's when I can come up with it again. But otherwise, if I feel like let's say if I feel like this trade hit me stop loss, I'm already down. This week is bad. I want to end this week strong. But I'm gonna use a bigger risk, and with a bigger risk, that means that if this trade hits me, bro, I lost too much, and I'm gonna not be good. Because remember, I don't know with other people. Obviously, other people are money motivated, which means that you only get happy when you see that you made money. But I get happy when I see that I followed my setup. I followed what I said that I want to follow. That's what makes me happy. Obviously, it's not good to lose money, but it's okay if you lose money and saw how you lost it compared to losing it but not getting anything from that loss. Yeah, I see gold is now going up. We're learning every day. I like that. Hard way or no way. We learn every day, brother. You got that right. That's just how it is, bro. It's the journey. It's the journey, bro. What did I do, bro? Okay, I see it done that confirmation of breaking. Hopefully we still go back down. If it does, this would be sad. Like if it goes straight to TP, it would be sad because it didn't activate me. But you see, it didn't activate me. Missed me with a few pips. Well, since it's features, it's a few ticks. Oh, gold. What happened? Why did you do what you done? But yeah, man, you guys get to see me throughout the wins, through the losses, bro. See it all, bro. Seeing it all, bro. So with Nasdaq, remember the first one, how I showed you in terms of like on the 1 hour, how stop loss was supposed to be and take profit was supposed to be, but I was not too comfortable with that. And since I'm seeing this area as a swing low, obviously I'm saying that price must hold. If it goes below, yeah, it might still, go down, maybe still, yeah, and then go back up. But imagine if my stop loss be like this, bro. I might as well wait for next week, like not take this trade, because it doesn't make sense. I mean, that's now a swing trade, bro. It's not even like a day trade anymore. That's a swing trade. I would have to hold it for like a week. Let's see gold, bro. Let's see gold. Yeah, bro. If gold doesn't go well, but gold, truly speaking, this week, it's not like it was bad to me. It's just, I don't know, bro. I don't know what could have went wrong, because it's not like all trades that I took on gold went sour, right? Because yesterday trades, one break even, one was loss, one was like profits. So it was 3 trades and one break even, one loss, one profits. That was yesterday. And the day before, I forgot. No, the day before I didn't get a trade. Yes, the day before I didn't get a trade is when the lights cut out. I didn't get a trade. So Tuesday, I forgot, bro. I honestly forgot. So it's not really like I'm really down. I think I was at break even. The loss that I took on gold today is the one that put me in a negative for the week, because I was at break even. I was like literally at break even. But I don't know. I was hoping maybe like, Friday, even if it's like just a good trade, that could have us end the week well. If it doesn't, it's okay. Next week is still perfect. Gold looks like it respected rather this area. I mean, not gold, this is Nasdaq, rather this area. But yeah, let's just see. The lowest point of Fibonacci. So now it's tricky because this thing can still come back down here, bro. So you know what I'm gonna do? I don't even know, bro. I think I'm gonna move my entry from where it is and push it a bit lower. Even if it doesn't activate me, it's still okay. Just to, be on the safe side. It needs like 50, like somewhere here, 50% of the candle. Because I feel like it will take out these lows. You see these lows here? These lows, you see here? I feel like it will take them out and then go up, like with a big spike, and then go up. So me, I wanna buy it here and I feel like at least if I can try to get it like a bit less. And what the problem with that is it might not activate me if I put my stop loss. Because let's say, for instance, if it's guaranteed to get you, that means that I might be activated. But yeah, I think I'm gonna just push my entry just a bit less. Oi, what's going on? Okay, I'm gonna push my entry just a bit less. Maybe somewhere here. For no reason, bro. I just to leave myself more room. I forgot what was the stop loss supposed to be. 400, right? Okay, I think 360 is perfectly fine. Let me not Brother, the markets. Oh, bro, too much management. Nasdaq. What? Wait. No. Bro, what's going on with Nasdaq? What's going on with Nasdaq, brother? Brother, how the markets is moving, I'm starting to be scared, bro. It's going crazy, bro. Ish. I don't like this too much volume, bro, cause ish, one mistake. Wait, what's going on? Okay. I'm starting to be gold. I think gold activated me, bro. Let's see. Gold activated me. This side. Oh, it did. Oh, bro, look at this, bro. If it just goes up, this is the best entry humanly possible. Bro, if it goes up, bro, I'd be so happy, bro. But I didn't adjust. Bro, I was busy looking at other things. I forgot to adjust my trade on other accounts, bro. 11 more seconds, 10 more seconds. Let's see. Yes, let's go. 4 more seconds, 3 more. 3 more seconds, 1 second. That's a big bullish candle. Next one, please take out these highs. Please take out these highs, bro. Please take out these highs. Please take out these highs. I want you to take out these highs, bro. Yeah, but I want like this entry. See, like I like being in the markets. Like, look at this, bro. This is the best entry humanly possible, bro. Please just go up. Like, these are those entries that you can even put it at break even, right? Ooh. What's happening with Nasdaq? Hey, you know what? I'm gonna remove Nasdaq because you see what happened already. I just don't like how it's moving. I'm gonna remove it real quick, close it. It might activate and go up and like, you know, maybe hit profit, but I just don't like how it's moving, brother. I'm just gonna be honest. I don't like how it's moving. It's not supposed to. This move was supposed to be after it activated me, not before. So I'm just gonna remove it. We'll see how it plays out. We can learn from it. If it goes well, I'll just learn and see that maybe moving forward what I can do. But for now, nah, bro, I don't want to risk it. Just put this yeah. So let me just remove Nasdaq. My brain is even going crazy, bro. Yo, bro, I don't like that, bro. Why did they do this, bro? Ooh, bro. Let's see, bro. Bro. Let's see. It's back, bro. It's back at that area, bro. Ooh, okay, look at, you see Nasdaq there. It was gonna activate me now, bro, literally now. But you see how it got there. Even if it goes up into profit through speaking, I'm not gonna be happy because of how it's moving, bro. Like, and anyway, I already took a trade on gold. Already, like, I'm running on gold, so I can't, like, if Nasdaq is doing this, I can't manage too many trades at once, bro. I can't. You see, and it's coming up. I'm selling gold. Me selling gold. Nice. Go for it. Yeah, let's do that. Gold sold through test. I see you selling gold. Even Monday selling gold. This is the markets. Remember, guys. Anyone can be right. You can sell gold and I can buy gold. And we can both be right. So let's do it this way. We are a team. If the gold go up, we won as a team. If the gold sell goes down, we still won as a team. It's not like, you know, we have to laugh at each other and say, you suck. You know, because at the end of the day, that's just how it is. Because it's not like if you take a loss, I'm going to laugh at you, you know. Like, that. It's not like, I don't know. Because I know people take losses. So if I laugh at you, that will be stupid of me. Let's go. Bro, I'm going crazy now, bro. You know, bro, this is not just going to take profits. Zay. Go and take profits, bro. Like, just allow a young brother to call this a week, bro. What you mean? You know, see your stuff? Nah, brother. Let's go, team. We chowing, brother. We chowing. Ooh. Let's go, bro. Let's go. TP heat. You can see TP heat. As I go out. Okay, let me log. Right here. So we did the test. Right here, I just logged it in right here because here on the features it didn't hit TP. I just logged it in right here. Management decided what is it gonna be like. Because TP has been hit, bro. And yeah, let me just mark it. Right. And gold higher chances it will still go more high. Oh, it took me out here with this one here. But this side I'm still running, bro. I'm still running this side here, $500. Let me see. 400. Which account is this? Okay, let me see. I'm losing track of my accounts, but I have too many accounts. Yeah. Okay, I went out here. Let me just go out, bro. I'm going out. Close. Yeah. Let's see this here. Okay, I close this other one account. Let me see. Yeah. So I'm running $500. Which account is okay? It's. Okay, Okay, let me see. Okay, I just went out. Let me see. Ooh, this one, yeah. Ha ha ha, let's go. Bro, it's like I'm crazy, bro. What? One last one. I just doubled because I have a life account that I'm also trading. I just doubled it. What? Okay, I'm out. All trades. Just see it, bro. You see it, bro. More than TP, bro. Bro, I'm not emotional. I'm just excited, bro. If I was emotional, I'm gonna make so much mistakes, bro. Ha. Luckily, I didn't take Nasdaq. That was a good run. That was a good one. But it's painful. Yo, bro. Okay, guys, I know you guys were selling. Obviously, you guys are now, if you put your stop loss, hopefully, don't delete messages, bro. I see someone is sending message, deleting, bro. There's nothing you can't take back. This is a life, bro. There's things you can't take back. But if you guys, like the ones that were selling, bro, hopefully you guys had stop losses. Otherwise, I'm feeling sad because I exited. Yes, I took maximum, but you guys saw me. I took maximum, but look at what happened after. I could have made 5x, bro. I could have made not even 5x. This is what, 5x. But obviously, I'm happy that I broke even for the week, which means that I didn't end the week with a negative thing. But this trade was supposed to give back everything. Yo. Bro, I have multiple accounts, bro. No matter about lot sizes, bro. I have 5 accounts that I'm trading with, bro. Okay, I see you, bro. I see you. You're onto something. I see you, bro. I see you. I know, bro. Truly speaking, for me, I'm done, bro. This is not financial advice, luckily. Bevan, you here, bro. I missed you, bro. Where have you been, bro? It's been a while. Bro, let me record this down, bro. I can't let this slide, bro. I'm shooting, bro. Ooh, bro. Okay, it was a sad day. Initially, we took this buy right here. I took a buy here, and then you can see, bro, it literally took me out next 2 minutes. Same time, it took me out. I waited. I could have bought here because I was rushing. It was gonna take me out again. I could have bought again. It was gonna take me out another again, but I waited, bro, and I waited for this. It literally activated me at a week, bro. This is where I caught it, bro. Look at what happened. I literally took profit somewhere here, but it still skyrocketed all the way up until here. I don't know if you can. This is a week, bro. And the team is here, bro. You can see I'm not. This is all done live, like I did say, bro. I take losses live, I take wins live, and this is not even financial advice. This is literally me trading. I'm trading my own personal accounts. I don't care if someone makes money or loses money. Truth speaking, it's all like this is just me putting in the work, bro. So obviously I care for you. I care for the people that watch. Yeah, but I don't want you to just copy things, straight up just like that without any thing in the head. But you can see the members here. Obviously there's other members that, like I did say, I like the fact that this is you trade at your own, which means that not everyone bought. You understand? Not everyone bought. There's people here. You can see, bro. There's people that were selling. This is the markets. There's people that were all selling. You can see gold was selling, and they were right. They're not wrong. They were right. And I didn't even say no. Gold is gonna buy. Close your cells. No, I just said let's see what happens. Luckily, if your cells work out, we're a team. We'll learn from each other. If my buys work out, we're a team. You'll still learn. And yeah, man, this is what's happening right now. Let's go. No drawdown, bro. You're right, bro. No drawdown, bro. Literally activated here. Trust me, I'm gonna call it a week. I don't know about you, bro. I said, Zion, don't ask me about lot sizes. I have 5 different accounts, bro. Actually 6 accounts. So if you say lot size, don't ask me, bro. But I'm happy, bro. I'm happy. And know that if I'm trading on 5 different accounts, bro, one can make $500, the other one $700, the other one $300, the other one $500, the other one 1,000 rands. Combine it, find out that a young brother could have made like 2, 3, you know. But this was a monumental trade, bro. I won't lie, bro. I'm now calm again. If you guys saw, I was excited and everything. But I'm now back to being calm. But I want to learn from this trade in terms of how I could have fully maximized it, bro. Because I highly believe that I could have made way more. But obviously, you know, we did. It was a good one. It was a good one, brother. It was a good one. It was a good one. Don't ask me about lot size, bro. Don't. Let's go, bro. We all trading our accounts, bro. Like, because I know all this, you know, we different. Other people are trading maybe 0.01, others 1 lots, others I see. Because I like, you know, there's people that trade big lots out here, bro. Some people you think, not everyone trades 0.01, bro. There's people that I saw that were even under me that would open, execute trades like, you know, bigger lot sizes than mine. And it's not even because of anything, bro. It's just obviously when you have the account that allows you and, you know, you do your nice risks and all those things. What happened? It's not going to be a problem. No, it doesn't want me to. Okay. But, yeah, bro, you guys saw it, bro. You guys saw it, but bro, I wanna the guys that were selling, please, bro, you guys are now quiet. I want you to let me know if you at least put your stop losses, bro, because if you didn't, obviously accounts are blown. So please just tell me that you did put a stop loss, at least Mandla and True Test TV. Please, bro, tell me that you guys put a stop loss, at least, brothers, please. Wherever you guys sold, I don't know how you guys saw it, but tell me that you put a stop loss. I'm happy I didn't take this, because if I took it, look, bro, imagine, and I wanted to put my stop loss here. Yeah, imagine, bro, I was gonna go through this. But thank God, bro, thank God I saw it, bro. Yo, thank God, like, I saw it, and I was like, no. Okay, let me see dollar index, what it done. Okay, dollar index, you remember I wanted it to come down till somewhere here, but it didn't go all the way down till there. So, gold speaking, we didn't break these eyes. We just tested here. We could still see it going back up, but it will have to test somewhere below here and still go up. But obviously, I'm not gonna take more trades, bro. I'm safe, bro. Trading stops are a must. That's true. That's true. Trading stops are a must, bro. Yo, bro, but those guys, bro, I'm worried now about not even like it's just. I'm just worried about like my brothers here, but they're not responding, so I don't even know. Was it True Test and Manta, bro? Like I'm just worried on. Hopefully, you guys maybe didn't just get angry and like, you know, leave the stream because you were angry that trade didn't work out. It happens, bro. Like, you just have to wait. There's still Monday that's gonna come out, you know. Just be patient, bro. Just be patient. Wait your turn. Keep your chin down while you're waiting, bro. Yeah, man. Guys, if you're not subscribed, if you just tuned and you just found me now, you're paging through on the YouTube, or maybe you're watching this from Kik. I'm everywhere, bro. I'm on Kik, I'm on YouTube, everywhere, bro. The best thing that you can do is to subscribe. Just subscribe, bro. We're on the journey right now. We literally left with a couple of followers to hit like 300k on YouTube and all those numbers. You understand? So please, bro, subscribe, You seeing, bro. You saw me take a loss in front of you, and I didn't even act like I'm a guru and say no and all that. I just acted like a student, bro. You saw what I done in order to wait. You saw how I caught this buy. You saw how I went up with it. Let's forget about the buy. You guys saw how I managed the Nasdaq. Let's talk about Nasdaq, bro. Let's talk about Nasdaq. I wanted to buy it, bro. I saw it done this. What did I say? I said this was supposed to happen when I bought it, not before I buy it. What did I do? I removed my order. I said it. I'm removing it. I removed it in front of you while you're looking. And look at what happened. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just happy with, I don't really care about profits. That's why I don't really feel bad with all that big week. Obviously, it would have been nice if that account that I had, if it ran me, I was probably going to close like maybe, it was going to be a big run, bro, like maybe 1.5, like 2K. But that's not what I care about, bro. Like, I care about following the plan, doing the right thing. You understand? So let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Those trollers blew their accounts. No, bro, don't say so, bro. Don't say so. But it's sad that they're not coming back. Because here's the thing. Like, some people, they tell people, like, bye. Like, you see, that's why I was even saying, don't just say sell gold. Some people just say gold sell. Like, you see, it's like gold sell. You understand? But now it didn't go well. They're not even saying or like educating the other person. Or sorry, or imagine you followed. Let's say this guy, he say gold sell, and then you follow his thing saying gold sell. You don't know where stop loss is. You don't know. You just followed blindly, bro. Right now, 100% guaranteed. Even if you have 100K in your account, it was gonna be blown, bro. Look at the spike. Bro, even me, if I entered on my accounts, whatever, it was gonna blow, bro. If I took a sell, yeah. Bro, it was gonna blow, bro. If I never had a stop, yeah. And one thing about the markets is that you need to also understand leverage. I mean, not leverage, slippage. You see how it's done this? Even if you have a stop loss here, brother. If you have a stop loss here, it's not gonna activate you there, bro. It can activate you. It can hit your stop loss here. Why? Slippage, bro. What time are those news coming up? Luckily, I didn't trade the news, which is good. I don't want to trade the news. Remember, I was like, nah, this thing might not reject. Nah. And someone said it. It was a lady. Was it? I remember, man. Catherine? Was it you, Catherine? It was Catherine, right? A lady was like this. Look at US30, bro. Look at US30, bro. Let me see. Was it Catherine? Oh, Tapsile was like, bro, look at US30. Tapsile. Hey, but I won't lie. Even if I entered it, I don't know where I would have had my stop loss. Because look at it. Even if, let's say, for instance, I had my stop loss below these lows, right? Like below these lows, like these ones here. It was going to take me out unless maybe I had it below these ones here. Let's see, below here. Yeah, maybe. Maybe it was going to, like, survive. But also, where would I have entered? Because how I trade is it has to break above these highs and then come back to retest and then go up. So I was gonna wait for a buy somewhere here. It was not gonna activate me. I doubt that I was gonna catch it no matter what. So I'm not gonna feel sad as if I lost it, because I know I was not gonna catch it even if I paid attention to it. But you see, gold is gonna now shoot up. It's gonna break these highs. Let's go, bro. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I'm down 1.8% on I sold gold. Oh, nice one, bro. Nice one. I'm glad that like, you can. That's true. That's good, bro. Like, the fact that you're down 1.8%, it means that maybe you had a stop loss at 1.5, and then slippage may have took you, or I don't know, because I like. Would you have why 1.8% specifically? It feels like it's a random number, right? But I'm glad that you're able to come and say, look, bro, I took a gold sell, and this is what happened. That's very brave. In fact, I respect you for that, bro. I respect you more than anything, bro. I won't lie, bro. And I feel like you are gonna go somewhere. Like, you're gonna go far, bro. As long as you can keep it like this. Just look at why did that trade not go well, and then try to, focus on how do you make it better, type of a thing, Are you using Exness? Yes, I am, bro. I am. Like for a life account, right? Remember, I also trade prop firms. So for a life account, I'm using Exness. You're right. Yo, I'm happy that like at least for the week, bro. I was sad thinking that for the week, bro, I'm down, and all that. So I'm happy that it's no longer like that, bro. Yo, I'm so happy. I won't lie, bro. I am happy. I am happy. Honestly, I feel like this I could have managed it better. Because to speak, if I just didn't take profit, right, and I let it run and like maybe take profit while I'm looking at it, like when it's somewhere here breaking these eyes, I take profit. Yo, bro, I was gonna be so ahead for this week. Like literally every day I'd bring it back. Like it was gonna be so worth it. But I took profit because it was moving too quick, and I felt like it might just try to once more come back down and then go back up. So I didn't want to hold through all that, and already was above like 1:2. You understand? So because I took profit maybe somewhere here on my CFDs, so maybe I could have put my stop loss somewhere here, and then learn if it goes put it here after this, something. But yeah, that'll be next week. I just feel like now Nasdaq cells activated. Let's go. You in Nasdaq cells? Yo, bro. Yo, guys, tap in, bro. Tap in, bro. If you're not subscribed, you're missing out, bro. You're missing out, bro. You're missing out, bro. Missing out, brother. At least next week, I know that I'm gonna come like knowing very well that like at least I'm starting with a clean slate. It's not like I'm trying to bring back like losses from previous weeks or anything like that. But truly speaking, guys, I don't really think yes, there's news that are coming up. Let's see what those news are gonna do. But you need to be careful because I see some members saying Nasdaq cells activated and gold cells activated. It might still go down. You can see with this activated some orders. It might go down, but I wouldn't really be in it. Let me do this. It might come test here and then go down. But the way it's moving, truly speaking, I don't want to give back. Because it came at the low, bro. Yet the low, it might tap in and then go down. But like I did say, it's not the best because on the 1 hour, bro, this is the low of the 1 hour. So if I'm gonna be selling at a support over 1 hour, then I should be scalping. I should be scalping it, not like actually looking for a full trade because high chance it might not work out. Obviously it could, but I'm just saying that there's still chances anyway. It's the market. Yeah, but this gold buy, I'm telling you, I was seeing it. I was seeing it. I was seeing it. Like you saw how I waited for it. It's not. I even spoke about this, bro, because I had my entry here. Remember, I had my entry here, and I was like, nah, bro, this thing, it's still gonna go down, and I moved my entry here. And guess what? Exactly where I moved my entry to is exactly where it went. Like, yo, bro, this trade was never on a negative. Let's go, team. Let's go. Let's see what the news are going to be in the next 3 minutes. And then from there, bro, I think on my side, I'm going to call it a session, bro. I want to take it easy, bro. We did hustle. We did put in some work. I've been up all morning till day, till night. Now it's night my time. It's like 9 p.m. I've been on my laptop since the whole day. So I want to just take it easy. You know, cool off a bit. Now I just have too much emotions going up and down, you know. Not excitement, not feeling good, just too much, you know. So I want to like just take it easy. Ooh, Nasdaq, bro. Bro, this thing is dangerous, bro. The ones that are selling, bro, like, obviously, if you're selling and you're trading your plan, that's good. Stick to it, bro. Stick to it. If you're selling and you're trading your plan, stick to it. But on my side, I'm not really that confident with it, right? I'm not, bro. This thing, in fact, look at it, bro. Look at this week, bro. Tested here, bro. Remember, we spoke about this. My stop loss was going to be here, so I was not going to be out. I was not going to be back at break even. But look at this, bro. Hammer. From here, we're going up, bro. Up. In fact, target is here, bro. Next week, I'm only going to be looking on buys from Nasdaq. And if gold breaks above these highs, I'm also going to look for gold buys, right? If it breaks above here, I'm also going to look for here, just above here. I'm also going to look for gold buys. And it might break above because just for the weekend, you know. So let's see what those newses are gonna do. What time is it? In the next 1 minute. So the guys that have trades running, be careful, bro. News are coming up in the next 16, 17, no, 15 seconds, 14 seconds, 13. Let's see what news. Gold. Let's see what gold is gonna do with the news. Not too sure if these news are going to be that powerful, but let's see. There we go. It's up. So we might see dollar going higher, and then if dollar goes higher, gold is going down. Okay, we might see maybe that move. Let's see. Dollar going higher. Okay, yes, but for dollar to go high, it still has to come here. Remember what I said? If dollar goes high, I thought it was here already, but it must come here and then push back up. So gold is still gonna go high, is what I'm saying. It's still gonna go high, maybe till somewhere here, bro. Somewhere here, it's still gonna go high. And Nasdaq, look at it, bro. Yo, bro, I hope you guys are out, bro. The ones that are selling, bro, hard way. And basically, I hope you guys are out, bro. Yo, bro. Hope you out, bro. Subscribe, team. Subscribe if you haven't. That's what we do each and every single day. We don't hold anything back, brother. So yeah, man, tap in, tune in, subscribe, and yeah, bro, you should have a phenomenal weekend. Let me just see what my brother's saying. Did you guys like exit the trade? How did you guys manage it? How did the team manage it? Like, guys, because yo, bro, you see now how it is. The market's gonna be so volatile. You have to be careful, bro. Let's go. Let me see. I'm just waiting for the feedback and then I can call it a search. You guys manage it proper though. Remember, guys, the most important thing, it doesn't matter if you took a loss, bro. Doesn't, bro. It happens, bro. But manage, bro. What matters is if you say you blew an account, bro, I can even laugh at you because what did you expect? You understand? So, but if you say I just took a loss, bro, like someone that laughs at you for taking a loss, that person does not know trading because we know that trading there's losses. You understand? So that's why I'm saying, bro, I'm saying this because I'm saying it doesn't matter if you took like negatives, right? Because I see some people when they go through loss, they don't want to come back and say it. Imagine me, I'm doing this on a live, bro. I take losses on a live, I take wins on a live. So much pressure, bro. Look at this, bro. And I even said, bro, this is not selling here, not the best, bro. In fact, I should have looked for a buy here, but I don't know how I was gonna catch it. Oh, but to think about it, I could have caught a buy because I'm not smart. Because I wanted to buy it here. Now that it's done this, I could have bought it here, but at the cheapest, bro. Because I was done with gold, bro. But it's okay. Not too many trades. It's happening. Tapsila, I see you sent questions. I don't know. What is that for? Yo, what's today's buyers, bro? Rembo. I see you from Kick, bro. You saw, bro. I'm sure you saw, bro. We caught nice gold buy, bro. Hopefully you saw us, like, when we're still running in it, bro. Hopefully, bro. I see you, bro. I see you. Let's go. Bro, if I caught a buy here, but I wonder how I was gonna catch it, because this one bullish engulfing. Maybe after this bullish engulfing, right? Stop loss still below here, just below here. If it came here, I was gonna like drain. No, it would be maybe somewhere here. No, but it's okay, bro. It's okay, take it easy. I don't want to catch every trade in the markets, bro. What's going on, team? You guys are not saying anything. I just wanted to see feedback in terms of what happened. Hard way or no way? There is in clear. What's happening, team? What's happening? Nah, team. Okay, I think maybe those team members went out because they're not giving feedback, so not too sure. But I think we can call it a session team. Obviously, guys, it's not good when you end your week in the worst way possible, and maybe that's just because you wanted to make too much and do all that. That's not nice. You're gonna see a lot of dust. But rather, trade your plan, team. Trade your plan. And yeah, man, that's everything I'm doing here is not financial advice, strictly for education's purposes. So yeah, chat. But I thank you guys so much for tuning in, for pulling through. Do take care, bro. I'm talking to everyone that's here on this stream. Obviously, there's people that have been actively showing up day in, day out, like just like Tapsile. I know that you've been showing up. Even Mpete, we've got Catherine as well. We've got Big Eddie. Oh, bro. Hopefully you didn't come in late today. I didn't see much of you today, bro. I only see your message now. Bevan, you were not here last week. Only now you coming back. Only now you were quiet last week. What happened, bro? You okay? Obviously we've got Tabang. Mpete, we did say. Yeah, but everyone here is truly speaking, like, it's been since day one. Since day one, bro. Tapsida, did you catch that US 30? Because I believe you were looking at it. Did you catch it? Gold is going high. Nasdaq got all-time highs. Yeah, man, I think we're gonna cap each other. Let's see. We good, bro. Profits. Nice ones, Mangaliso. I'm glad, bro. I am glad. Me too. I'm glad, bro. Who mentored you, bro? You good. Thank you so much, bro. It's self-study, bro. That's why it took me long. I've been trading for now 9 years. I'm going for my 10th year next year. In the next few months, April, I'm going for my 10th year trading. It took me a very long time. I'm still learning, like, I'm honestly still learning. I won't lie. I won't say that I'm good and all. I'm still learning. But it's all through trial and error, bro. I feel like people that can get mentorship right now is the best thing that you can do, because you want to cut it. Because now, like I did say, bro, it's 9 years for me, It could have been early, it could have been shorter, it could have been, like, in seeing the results that I'm seeing now, maybe 4 years ago, maybe 5 years ago. But, yeah, I did get mentored. I once bought a course from some guys long time ago when there was still, when there was like Go Forex times, those times. Is it Go Forex? I think so. Back then when they would do seminars, I once bought that course. I went there. It was a 5-day training. But I was learning, bro. I've learned bro, I've watched almost every video on YouTube that has to do with trading. So besides, I don't want someone to think, oh, you went there, that's who helped you. No, bro, I went there already when I knew a lot, in class. In fact, if you can ask everyone that went to class with me, I was the one that was answering questions. In fact, even sometimes I would correct the mentor, not even because I wanted to show that I'm good, but I knew too much, you understand, because I was absorbing. And after that, I also went and got Falcon. I also was part of Falcon as well. I'm going to give them credit as well. Falcon, what they taught me was more on psychology, I feel like from South Falcon, I took a lot of psychology, and I took a lot of, like, certain concepts that I still use today when it comes to the markets on its own. But I think that is like two formal educations that I may have from, like, actually paying for mentorship. Well, I once even bought another course. I actually have, I once bought a course, funny thing, I actually have access, I think even till this day I have it on my computer back home, a course from Q Banks, because Q Banks once became popular trading US 30. So when I also, was getting into those US 30 markets, luckily at that time I was making enough money. I already made enough money, so I could afford those courses that could charge like $1,000 and things like that. So I also have that. I had that, but I didn't really, because I only wanted to understand certain concepts and stuff. So I also learned to see certain things from there. But what else did I learn again from somewhere or from someone? I'm not too sure in terms of buying courses, but obviously I did learn a lot from different people along the journey, bro. Like anyone that I could meet up with, like, because I've met with a lot of great traders, bro, and just like when I started trading prop firms, I had to go ask people that were really winning with prop firms and ask them questions. I already knew how to trade, but I had to ask them questions. You understand? So that's just it, bro. Let's go, team. Did Ref touch you a bit? Did Ref touch you a bit? Okay, I'm not sure if I understand this, ne? I'm not sure if I understand. Maybe if you can type it in a different angle. Let's see what you mean. I'm going to give it another try. Did he touch me? Touching a person means something different, bro. If you say someone touched someone, bro, that's something different, bro. If he touched me, bro, that's different, bro. I can't allow him to touch me, bro. So please just or maybe did you say teach? I don't know. Do you wanna say maybe did he teach me? Like just correct it there, please, brother. Then I can answer it before we call it a session. And what can you say about FX goods? I don't know, bro. Honestly, I don't know. What do you mean? What can I say? I don't know, bro. I know them personally. They're good people. They're my friends, till this day. I was with them late last year. Spoke with them. They're good people. I love them, bro. They're my brothers, bro. There's nothing I can say in terms of anything else. It's just good people, bro. It's good people. I think he meant teach you. Oh, yeah, no. Yeah, no, man. I remember I met the ref already when I was like, and when I was like dope, bro. Like already when I met the ref, like I was winning, bro. Like he already knew me. He already saw the results that I was making, bro. I already had a team. In fact, I had a team of, I don't know, 20 traders, 10 traders in office that were trading for me. So obviously, it won't make sense for me to onboard like maybe someone like let's just say like, to onboard him to teach me because I already had the skill. You understand? But I once bought it. Now that you brought the ref up, it's funny because I once bought a course with ref, and that course needed $6,000, brother. $6,000, and we shared the cost. Like I was like, bro, I think he's the one that told me about it. I forgot it was years ago, like 2022, 2023, somewhere there. And he's like, bro, let's get this. I think it was him that told me, and we got it. I was like, okay, let's do this, bro. That's one thing that I'll always say about, like, because after that I was like, oh, this guy really loves learning, and I like, I liked him more. But yeah, that's one thing that I once done with the ref. We bought a course, like it was $6,000. We both took out $3,000. And we learned that course. Truly speaking, for me, I made back that money that I spent, and even more, like way more, from like just that materials there. But like I did say, when it comes to teaching, bro, I don't think me and Ref can really, like, let's say, we can show each other, right? Like when we trading, bro, like when we trading, remember when we trading together, like when he's sitting and I'm sitting here, it's the same thing what I'm doing now, bro. Just because I saw a buy on Nasdaq does not mean if Ref says it's selling, I'm gonna not see a buy anymore. Obviously, I'm gonna say, okay, bro, I'm seeing a buy because of this. Okay, you're seeing a sell. It's okay. I'm still gonna take it, or maybe let me not take it, because now you're making me doubt. That's why I don't really like trading with people, because sometimes they make me doubt. You understand? But when it's like maybe formally sitting down and saying, Lisiba, this is what this is. No, bro, I already had that information. Like I did say, everything, all information. I never got taught by like a person sitting down and teaching me. I've never went through the I2 because I'm hungry for knowledge, bro. I already, like, if you come and tell me something, I probably already researched about it. You understand? So even if you're gonna tell me, obviously I'm not gonna say don't tell me I know. I'll see how far you know the knowledge. I'll listen to you speak, but that does not mean maybe I didn't know it. You understand? Maybe you'll say something that I didn't know from that. Like, if Ferraris, I don't know, they make them with V12, and me, I know they make it with V12, but it's V12 by what, and I don't know that deep. Obviously, if you say something, I can learn, I can take from it. Like, oh, it's V12, I knew, but you say what, then I'll go and confirm. And then once I see, then I say, okay, this guy is dope. This guy is dope. You understand? So, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Let's do this, Tim. Let's do. What's your biggest money lesson? Money lesson. Yo, that's a good one, bro. That's a good one, bro. That's a good one, bro. I think it's just more on, like, employing it, bro. Like employing it. At the same time, I don't know, because it's good and it's bad. Because there was a time where I didn't want to employ money. I just had it sitting around, and somehow it goes, because things come up, like the car is gonna break down 100k. Next week, my mom is gonna call 120k. Next week, and then boom, when you check, that money is down. So also, when you employ it, employment means that you invest it into things that you believe is going to give you back more money. I've done that too, and yes, it did work out well. There's also other things that didn't work out, and they costed me a lot. So the best thing that I can say is money is, like, a resource, and the one thing that you can do is use it to fund, like, let it be the vehicle, or use it to fund what actually you want to achieve. Like, don't, if you have 100k and you don't hold it, don't try to go ball it out. If you know you can make it back, it's okay, you can do that, but try to make that money work for you, and not buy a property and make it rent. Yeah, and that those things are normal, like in terms of their work, we know, and all that. It's all over YouTube, bro. You can get that information. But if you love soccer, football, take that 100k, start a football team, kids from your local area, and invest in that, bro. If you lose that money, while investing in that. Like me, how I lost, like, certainly a lot of things that I done, bro. I lost so much money. Even if, like, most people won't, bro, they'll kill themselves. But I don't sit and think about how I lost money. I'm happy because I think about the experience that money was able to give me. Because if I never had that money, I would never experience those experiences that I had. I was never gonna, like, let's see if, I was never gonna experience it. So I'm glad that I experienced it and I saw. Now I'm in the best position to know what I really, really, really want to do or not. Same thing, if you give that money, do it on a football team. Even if you lost it, the fact that you now want to see kids, they believe in you, they're not doing drugs, they're playing 1, 2, 3, you're going to feel good, bro. And you feeling good is going to allow you to make more money. Money is going to come back to you because you feel good. You're going to come up with ways of how can I get more money in order to continue doing this, like, help my people. You understand? Let's go, team. Yo, bro, I just don't like when people take losses. They even exit the stream and they run away, bro. Because I was asking Nasdaq sales what happened, gold sales what happened, and bro, my brothers are out, bro. Yeah, bro. Pete. Yeah, bro, but I think we can call it a session. I think all questions have been answered and asked. Sorry. I think we'll call it a session. What do you think? What do you think, team? It was a phenomenal one, right? Don't you think? Don't you think? Yeah, let's call it a session, team. Let's call it a session. Let's call it a session, bro. It was a profitable day. It was a good day. Nice one, team. Nice one. We still, yeah, bro. Hardway or no way. Nice one. Yeah, bro. I wanted that feedback, bro. Yeah, bro. The fact that you're still standing. That's what I wanted, bro. I don't want brothers and soldiers to fall, bro. We can't be going to war and just because maybe, for instance, you saw those guys have bigger guns and then now you run away. Nah, bro. Still going, bro. If you run away, you're always gonna run away, no matter what. You're not learning. But if you go, find out that those guns of theirs don't even have bullets, or those bullets of theirs are rubber, bro. Understand? You have, like, more bigger ammunition and things like that. So yeah, bro, just chin up, brother. Chin up. We're still winning. Like I did say, your loss is my loss, my win is your win too. Your win is my win. We're a team at the end of the day. We learn from each other and things like that. And yeah, just be positive. Keep it, bro. Keep it. Keep going. Let's go, team, guys. Let's connect. Let's meet up next week, Monday. Today is a video that's going out. Today there's a video, guys. You must check it. It's powerful. I sat and I was like in my thoughts and I was like, okay, let me talk to my people. You'll see it was not scripted. It was not. I just took out the camera and I just started recording. Perfect video. You should check it out. It's coming up within the next few hours. Tomorrow as well, I do have EP2 coming out on that EP1 of, like, day in lives and things like that. EP2 is coming up tomorrow too, so you guys must check it out too. Let's go, team. It's a Bailey. See you. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, team. Let's meet up on the next coming session, right? Yeah, bro, since I woke up, I was like, I've been on this PC. I'm gonna say something, don't judge me, but I didn't bath today. And guess what? It's 10 p.m. my time. I woke up 8 a.m. and I had an inspiration. Like, when you wake up, I always do my routine when I wake up. But today I had this inspiration, or like I wanted to do something on the laptop. So I was like, okay, no, let me not do my routine now. I went straight to the laptop and I thought I was gonna do it like 2 hours and then be done. Bro. When I looked at the time, it was like 3 p.m. And I was like, I have to go eat. I didn't gym. I went, got food, came back because I even wanted to go eat out. But I was like, no. Then I just bought food. I came back, I searched and I ate. When I checked at that time, it was like 7 p.m. I was like, what? It's time for a live session. And I just, like, that's when I was like, guys, let's meet up. And I was like, then I got on the session. I didn't, like, because I wanted to bath before. But I'm glad that everything played the way that it did, because if I had done that, maybe I was gonna waste time, because you guys saw. But maybe if I had done that, I was gonna miss this trade and I was gonna catch this one. I should have done it. Gym. Yeah, but I didn't gym, bro. I didn't gym because I do what is it, Muay Thai. Muay Thai, I do that every day. But I won't lie. Today I didn't gym because I didn't want to go gym. Bro. Bro, they're killing me there. But I was bleeding yesterday, bro. Yo, they're killing me, bro. Yo, last night I went to go get a massage because I wanted to calm down my body. Yo, when I woke up, bro, I couldn't. My thighs, yo, painful, bro. Bro, and the coach even now gave me more things to do, and I was like, yo, bro. So yeah, next week is gonna be big because next week there's no other way, but I am gonna show up. Can't avoid it, but yeah, man. Raw judge, don't judge me, please. Don't judge me, bro. Don't judge me. I'm gonna bath. I won't bath. I'm gonna bath, bro. And I'm really impressed by your stream, Sako. Thanks, brother. Thanks, bro. And yeah, man. At first, really speaking, I thought these streams were gonna be. I was gonna do it for only like 3 days, maybe a week. But I don't know, man. I just fell in love with it, bro. Like day 2, members when they started reaching out, Peter, like everyone when they came in, bro. I started like finding purpose in doing, because anyway I do this every day. Like even if I put cameras off, no stream, I was still gonna do this, But I was like, what's the purpose? Because sometimes I'm just sitting like this by myself and it's sad and it's lonely. And I was like, yeah, man, I know I make a lot of videos that people can learn from, and I can't make another video that talks about how to use leverage because it's already there. So I was like, what's the best thing that I can do? I was like, okay, because I have all the videos about trading, all the topics, I've done them. So I was like, okay, if I do live stream, because on live stream I don't even have to teach anything. I just have to show you what I'm really, then you learn from me really in the field. If a billionaire comes, sits with you and tells you how to be a billionaire, it's going to take you long to get there. But if you're going to be his assistant and you see what he does on a day-to-day basis, bro, within 18 months, high chance that you can be over 100. You understand? Let's go, Coops. What's happening, team, bro? We caught a nice, beautiful gold buy, bro. Look at this, bro. Look at this. First one was a negative. Second one went well. Waited patiently. Nasdaq, I was supposed to buy it, but I didn't, luckily, because I wanted to buy it here, but it went down. Then now it shot back up. But yeah, man, we're coming up. We're still on the come up, like we did say. Let's go, team. We did hustle, bro. Today was a good day. Yeah. But yeah, man, I think now we're gonna call it a session now, bro. Because I've been logged in. I'm happy the week ended positively, bro. Last week was positive. This week was positive. The week before was positive. Yo, bro, sometimes you can see that a day does not define you, bro. Just because you took a loss in a day, that means nothing, bro. This should be evidence, bro. Because look at it, bro. If like you went through losses the whole week and you caught this one gold trade, and let's say you fully capitalize it all the way up, like maybe let's just say 5x, you went out at 5x maybe. This is 5 losses, bro. And I've never took 5 losses in a row. So probably I would be in profits even if I took loss Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. 4 days negatives. Friday 5x. I'm already in profits for the week, you know. But that's a conversation for another day. Team, I'm glad that you guys pulled up. I'm glad that you guys did show up. It was a good day. Brother's exhausted now. I'm gonna take it easy. And yeah, man, if you're not subscribed, make sure that you tap in, tune in, and let's just grow. Let's just become better. I will see you guys on the next live stream, which is gonna be on Monday. And yeah, man, I wanna start doing more streams on weekend too. But it's just that weekends, obviously, I can't trade on weekends. I don't even know what I'm gonna be doing because I can't just walk around and do other things. But we'll see. We'll speak about it in the chat, right? I know you guys always come up with good ideas. And then maybe on weekends we can also do some, quick streams here and there. Because anyway, I'm always logged in. I'm always on my laptop, bro. I'm always here. As long as it's for work, catch me. They call me to want to talk to me about other people. You won't find me, bro. But call me to want to talk about work. You'll get me. So yeah, team, thank you guys so much for pulling through. Love you guys a lot. Do have a phenomenal weekend. Do check out the video that's gonna be dropping soon. Also tomorrow we have a lifestyle video coming up. And yeah, man, you guys should take it easy. And yeah, man, let's connect. Cheers, team. Cheers, team.